Welcome to Sew Junkie's channel. On today's tutorial, we'll be learning this simple, trendy corset top. Quickly, let us delve into the tutorial. Firstly, we have our already drafted basic blocks. We have the back pattern and the front pattern. If you don't know how to do this yet, let us know in the comment section. I'll be glad to teach you. Very simple and easy to make. We'll start work with the front pattern. We're going to be transforming the front pattern into a simple corset. Firstly, we're going to close the side dart so as to transfer the dart from the side to the upper chest. So you see how I'm cutting out the parts that I don't need. Usually this could serve as a yoke, but we don't need yoke for this pattern. So we're going to be slashing the side dart and also slash open so as to transfer the side dart that will be closing to transfer the dart to the upper chest line. So this is what we have. We've closed the side dart. Now we'll cut out the entire dart on the pattern. So just watch and enjoy. It's quite easy. It's an easy tutorial that you can follow. Let us know your comments. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We're just starting out and we promise to give you quality DIY, something you can easily do and be proud of. So this is what we have. Now at this point, you can actually have as many pieces of the front as you want. You can have 3, you can have 2, you can have 4, you can have 5. But I just wanted to do a 3-piece front pattern. So you see me measuring on the ruling a straight line. Then the next thing I'm doing is to create the basque, the V at the bottom of the blouse. So you can actually do it whichever way you want. You can actually have a straight slant like mine, or you can have a curve point and a slant. So just be creative enough to try out something new and different. So now I'm labeling. From the center front, I have 1 piece, piece 2, and piece 3. So on that line, I'm going to cut it out so as to have 3 pieces for the front pattern. Very simple. Like I said, you can have as many pieces as you want. So it's something you just try. It's something, if you want, you can do 4, you can do 5, you can slash that 1 into 2 pieces. So it's just your creativity. The next is to work with the back pattern. So the reason I still have a part of the armhole in my pattern, the intention was to make a puff sleeve. But you will see along the line during the sewing proper that I had to cut out the armhole. I changed my mind about a puff sleeve. It's quite hot. Just wanted something easy breezy, something I could just wear and receive some good fresh hair. So I turned it into a tied 2 inches tie. So you see that while we sew. But let's focus on our pattern. As you can see, I had to go down on the zip allowance side 2 inches to make it a bit deeper. than what I had. So I'm also creating the V at the back. Like I said, it's your creativity. It's how you want it to be. You can twerk it the way you want. You can decide to have a straight back and not a V and not a slant. You can decide to have a curve. You can just play with it. You go online, check the different styles, style lines and designs you might want to rock. So the most important thing is getting the patterns right, and then your creativity is allowed to do the rest. Like I said, simple and very easy. Doesn't take time. You have, if you have a bust of say 34, you can use about half a yard of fabric to cut this simple top. It's very, very easy, and you are going to be making like dozens of this in different colors, in different shades. So if you have not liked, commented or subscribed, please subscribe to our channels and turn on your notification so that as soon as we post a new video, you'll be the first to know. So guys, this is me trying to tell you that you could actually create a different style without the armhole. So it's simple, it's easy to do, and you're just going to enjoy the process of it. So this is Sew Junkies. We like to sew, we enjoy sewing, and we ask that you support us by subscribing to our channel and supporting us by liking and commenting